everyone, this is Inchara from Textile Technology. Now I gonna share you the little information about the topic role of Ambedkar in making Indian Constitution. On August 30, 1947, Ambedkar appointed as the chairman of drafting committee, which is the most crucial committee of the constituent. The Indian Constitution and its drafting process are often considered synonyms with Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He is also regarded as the father of Indian Constitution. Due to the office he held and his interventions and speeches in the assembly, he became a key figure in the Indian Constitution making process. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has been an outstanding contribution by drafting the Constitution of India, and he became the champion of human rights. He was honored with the highest national honor, Bharata Ratna, in April 1990. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was chairman of drafting committee, you all know, which played an important role in formation of the constitution, and Ambedkar handled the task of presenting the draft constitution, answering various questions raised on it and making necessary changes according to the suggestion of the constituent assembly. Due to his contribution towards the making Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called as the father of Indian Constitution. Let's see some important concepts introduced by Ambedkar in the constitutions. They are abolition of untouchability in the Article 17 and fundamental rights in the Article 12 to 32 and parliamentary democracy. Ambedkar was in the favor of parliamentary democracy, concept of federalism and constitutional remedies play a very important role. With Ambedkar considered it as the heart and soul of the constitution in the Article 32. Protective discrimination means reservation for SC, ST and OBC and other downward sections of the society. He was the champion of fundamental rights and said, I came into Constituent Assembly with a greater aspiration than to safeguard the interest of scheduled caste. I had not remotest idea that I would be called upon and undertake more responsible function. I was therefore surprised when the assembly elected me to the drafting committee, more than surprised when the drafting committee elected me to be its chairman. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar regarded his provision as the very soul of the constitution and very heart of it. Socio-economic justice for the people was introduced, and as envisaged by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is very well reflected in the directive principle of state policy. According to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the parliamentary system differs from the non-parliamentary system, inasmuch as the former is more responsible than later, but they also differ as to the time and agency for assignment of their responsibility. And the real contribution of the Ambedkar is reflected in the protective discrimination scheme or the reservation policy of government established under the some provisions of the Part 3 and many of the Part 5 dealing with the constitutional mandate to ameliorate the condition of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and other backward classes. He proposed a state ownership of agriculture with a collectivist method of cultivation and modified form of state socialism in the field of industry. The main objective of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was to uproot the evil of a deep-rooted caste system and to transform this country from uncivilized state to civilized state. The Indian Constitution is evolved as a result of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's relentless efforts and strategic approach to the system. Whole credit goes to the Baba Saheb Ambedkar for his outstanding contribution work for the country like India. Thank you one and all.